So there's no more free money to be made on the internet for selling information or giving away information for free and showing people how to do things. DeepSeek takes us into the unknown. It has destroyed information marketing along with all the other AIs, all these other AI models, right? Information is no more. So if you're in the business of creating information and selling it online, you're done, right? So DeepSeek R1 is now live and open source, rivaling OpenAI's Model O1, available on web, app, and API. So what makes DeepSeek so great? Well, this chart apparently. And what does any of that mean? I have no idea. So I open up a DeepSeek account and I open up the DeepSeek chat. I want to create information, but the type of information or the focus on creating information is not about the information itself. All these AI models spit out information for us, but they don't give us what we actually need. List the steps to grow strawberries inside my small apartment with no windows. That's what I want to know how to do. I want to specifically know how to do that. But more importantly, I want to see how to do that before I try to do it myself. So AI models do this. List the steps to grow strawberries inside my small apartment with no windows. It lists the 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 steps plus some additional tips. This is DeepSeek. Take a real close look at ChatGPT. List the steps to grow strawberries inside my small apartment with no windows. It then again gives me a list. It gives me the information required that I need to know to grow strawberries indoors. But is that what I want? Gemini, list the steps to grow strawberries inside. Again, a list of steps, things that are required to grow strawberries indoors. Google, Gemini, gives us a disclaimer. This information is for general guidance only. Always refer to specific plant care instructions for strawberry varieties you choose. Interesting. Refer to specific plant care instructions. Well, where do I get those? But before we do, let's not quit on AI. Claude, list the steps to grow strawberries. Straight and to the point, 9 steps. Boom, 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 boom. But there's some other questions here that have yet to be answered or have come to light, even with chatting with AI that is supposed to give me all of the information. Perplexity, it's basically a search engine. It's like using Google and getting all of the resources here or the sources, whether they come from Google or Bing or any of the other search engines out there, it doesn't matter. Or even if Perplexity is its own search engine, who knows, who cares? I have all the equipment needed listed here and the planning process as well as the maintenance. But look, related questions. And it shows me a video of a real person holding up a strawberry plant. So then I go to Google and I'm thinking, give me the steps to grow strawberries inside my small apartment with no windows. There is the AI generative, there's the generative AI, which is experimental. It's essentially Google Gemini inside of Google search, like Perplexity. The lines are all starting to blur. So in my opinion, DeepSeek doesn't change the game for me, with my focus being a marketer on creating information, but not creating information, not just creating information, but doing what you see here for this topic, for this specific topic. Steps to grow strawberries inside my small apartment with no windows. The first results, the real results, after all the AI just spitting out the step-by-step, the information, list of equipment needed, here are the things you need to know. Oh, by the way, here's some other questions you probably have around this topic. Videos. People that are interested in this want to see it done. Go to YouTube. YouTube is not about selling information. It's not about creating lists of information. It's not about using AI to list out information or even using AI to create videos. It's about creating content. It's about taking the information, testing it, actually going through the process of learning, the LDT model. Learn, do, teach. Growing strawberries indoor, urban cultivator, microbuddy. This is an actual ad, right? But the idea here is 4 ways to grow strawberries and the key to growing a lot. Then you have shorts, This dude here, look how excited he is to show off his strawberries that he has grown. Whether or not he grew them indoors or not, that's not really the point. Again, another ad about hydroponic strawberries. But look, so easy to grow. These people are excited. They're happy. They're showing you the things that they've done. They're not just giving you step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. DeepSeek gives me the information just like ChatGPT. I'm not sold on the fact of whether or not it's easier, faster, better. Who cares? Use AI for its purpose. Its purpose is to help you shortcut the path to getting the information required, and then you taking the information that you've learned from the AI, going forth and doing it, and then once you do it, being able to take that information, add some personality to it, and then teach it in a manner that shows people how you can help them solve their problem with the information, but also make it unique, sprinkle in your own personality, your own unique personality, your own unique perspective on what happened, why it happened, and the things that are going to happen for the people that are looking for the information, but more than just the information, because information has always been readily available, especially with the advent of the internet. Now with AI, information marketing is still alive and well if you focus on showing people what it is that you've learned, what it is that you are doing or have done, or setting up and saying, look, this is what I'm going to do, and then ultimately teaching them how to accomplish the same goal, how to get to the end result that you've identified. And the reason that you need the information is to get to that end result or to solve that problem. But that's what information marketing is about here in 2025 and beyond. Whether you're using DeepSeek, ChatGPT, Gemini, whatever the new Google is, no matter where it was invented or by whom. Thanks for watching this one. I look forward to seeing you in the next one, and I'll talk to you then. Bye.